Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add shading to openings using louvers, overhangs, and side fins. In the earlier tutorial, called Shading Using Standard Component Blocks, we showed you how to draw shading structures onto a building using standard component blocks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add louvers, overhangs, and side fins using the Model Data Input options. Solar shading can be applied to external windows and roof lights using the shading options here in the Openings tab. The options available under the shading header enable us to easily apply a variety of internal and external shading devices. Different shading options can be applied at any level, from the whole building down to individual openings. Window shading can be used to reduce solar gain and increase resistance to heat conduction through windows. There are a wide range of internal shading templates available in Designbuilder, including diffusing shades like drapes and blinds, electrochromic glazing, slatted blinds, and transparent insulation. You can select and use these templates or create your own using manufacturer's data. I'll switch off window shading and move on now to show you how you can quickly apply local shading devices, including fixed overhangs, louvers, and side fins to external windows. Designbuilder comes with a library of common external shading devices, but you can create a custom local shading component by copying and editing an existing one, or clicking on the Add New Data button. This allows you to customize and create your own custom shading with louvers, side fins, and overhangs. The Create a Copy tool allows you to easily copy and then edit the library data to create your own bespoke model data. You can apply local shading in different ways, including the Model Data Grid View and Load Data from Templates tools mentioned in earlier tutorials. These might be better options if you want to apply shading based on facade orientation, etc. In this case, I'll simply apply an overhang from the library which projects half a metre from all the windows in the ground floor west zone. Overhangs are shown in wireframe form here on the Layout tab of the Edit screen. You might find it easier to view these on the Visualize screen. Here at building level, you can see that the overhangs have been applied to the correct glazing. If you want to optimize the quality of your rendered images for client reports, etc., then you can switch on the anti-aliasing here to increase the image sharpness. This finishes our quick review of adding shading using louvers, overhangs, and fins in Designbuilder. If you want to learn more about the topics introduced in this tutorial, including top tips that will improve your modeling efficiency, then our Openings Model Data on-demand training session covers these and other related aspects of Designbuilder. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Further information on the specific topics and wider application areas can be found in the comprehensive Designbuilder Program Help, other tutorials and webinars, and our on-demand training.